Love Jihad, a social criminal menace that has claimed many innocent lives because of love trap under deceitful conduct. However, this crime has been whitewashed by the deniers who romanticize the same. But the proposal to bring in new laws that was introduced by Union Home Minister Amit Shah.
महिलाओं के प्रति अपराध और सामाजिक समस्याओं के निपटान के लिए भी हमने ढेर सारे किए हैं। शादी, रोजगार, पदोन्नति के झूठे वादे और गलत पहचान प्रकट कर जो यौन संबंध बनाते थे, उसको अपराध की श्रेणी में पहली बार नरेंद्र मोदी सरकार लाए। गैंग रेप के सभी मामलों में 20 साल की सजा या आजीवन कारावास का प्रावधान किया है, जो आज नहीं है। 18 वर्ष से कम आयु की बच्चियों के मामले में मृत्युदंड का भी प्रावधान।
As he announced to replace IPC, CrPC and Evidence Act with 3 new bills, that is Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023, Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023 and Bharatiya Sakshya Bill 2023, is likely to bring about the most needed change in the laws. Let us talk about the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita Bill, which will be one of the first such bills which has provisions that could curb the Love Jihad menace in India. What are the provisions of the newly introduced bill, and how could it help eliminate the cases of forced conversion by deceit in India? Let us find out. Hello and welcome, I am Shreya and you're watching the Pamphlet. The newly introduced Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita Bill is set to replace the Indian Penal Code, wherein it proposes to repeal 22 provisions of IPC, changes to 175 existing ones, and introducing 8 new sections. Some of the important provisions included in the new bill includes the act of establishing sexual relations with anyone by making false promises of marriage, job, promotion, or by expressing wrong identity. The same has been made a criminal offence. For gang rape, there is provision for punishment of 20 years of imprisonment or life imprisonment and death sentence in case of the rape of a minor. This is a very big step taken by the incumbent government to tackle high-rising cases of love jihad in India. An exclusive report on the love jihad cases in Uttarakhand was covered by the team of the Pamphlet, wherein we found out that several young Muslim men disguised themselves with fake identities to enter the remote villages and lure young Hindu girls. According to the local police reports, in past few months, around 288 women and girls have been abducted from the villages of Uttarakhand. In yet another recent incident from Assam, a 24-year-old Sanghamitra and her parents were murdered by her husband Nazibur Rahman Bora. It was revealed that Sanghamitra had met Nazibur through Facebook, where he introduced himself using a Hindu name. Many argue that if it is love, it cannot be jihad. However, is it really love if a relationship starts on lies? Or if one is forced to convert to another religion for so-called love? An element of deceit in a relationship and forced religious conversions is a crime and should be treated as such, which is why many states have criminalized the same. As per current laws, establishing sexual relations while promising marriage was punishable. There was no such explicit provisions for other incidents of sex by deceit, including hiding the identity. Hence, such cases were at the mercy of the court's discretion. For example, Uttarakhand recently passed a bill called Uttarakhand Freedom of Religion Amendment Act of 2022, which seeks to impose a fine of ₹50,000 on any person who tries to convert the other through misinterpretation, force, undue influence, coercion, allurement, or by any fraudulent means. It has also been made a non-bailable offence with the minimum prison term of 3 years that can be extended up to 10 years. As per the new law, the convict will have to even pay ₹5 lakhs to the victim. Several other states as well, including Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh and Odisha have introduced stringent laws against forced religious conversion. While in some cases the perpetrators were convicted, in many other cases they were set free. With the new law that explicitly mentions them as offences, convictions will very likely increase. Thank you for watching. If you liked the content, do like, share and subscribe to our channel, The Pamphlet.